In this video, I'll show you how to connect, print and scan with your smartphone using the Canon PIXMA TS3720 in just 6 easy steps. If your Canon PIXMA TS3720 is not connecting to Wi-Fi, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have your printer connected in no time. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Turn on your Canon PIXMA TS3720. Look at the printer display. You should see the Wi-Fi icon in the top left corner. The Wi-Fi icon should be blinking, which means the printer is in pairing mode. If you don't see the Wi-Fi icon, press the wireless button until it appears. Then, press and hold the pairing button for about 2 seconds, then release it. The Wi-Fi icon should now start blinking. Step 2. Install the Canon PRINT app. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. On your iPhone, open the App Store. Search for Canon PRINT made by Canon Inc. Install the app and open it. Accept any permissions the app asks for. Step 3. Add your printer. On the main screen, tap Add/Switch. Tap Register Printer. Wait a few seconds. If your printer appears, select it. If it doesn't appear, tap If printer cannot be found. Select No, then choose Auto Connection. When the app asks if you pressed the pairing button, tap Yes. Check the confirmation box and tap Next. Wait for the connection screen to appear, then tap OK. Tap Connect, then tap Yes. Step 4. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Enter your home Wi-Fi password. Tap OK. Wait for the printer to connect to your Wi-Fi network. When asked about automatic firmware updates, tap Yes. Tap the X to close the setup screen. When you see the green check mark, tap X again, then tap OK. Your printer is now connected. Step 5. Print from your phone. Open the Canon Print app and tap Document Print or Photo Print. Select the file or photo you want to print. If needed, tap Change Settings to adjust paper size, color mode, or the number of copies. When you're ready, tap Print. Step 6. Scan to your smartphone. Open the scanner lid and place your document face down on the scanner glass. Close the lid, then open the Canon Print app and tap Scan. Choose your scan settings if needed, then tap Scan. Once the scan is complete, it will be saved to your smartphone. That's it! Your Canon PIXMA TS3720 is now connected to your iPhone or Android phone, and you can easily print and scan using the Canon Print app. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to Print Smart Help and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.